Well, as you guys notice, I'm on the floor and I'm never on the floor. That's weird. How are you guys? Tell me in the comments. What are you guys doing? Anyways, my mom's day office today, so I gotta stay home. Yeah, I was really hungry this morning, so I woke up my mom. I'm like, Mom, you slept for 2 hours because we're gonna go take my brother. And then she's like, let me sleep for 1 hour. And then that passed 2 hours, and well, yeah, it was tiring. Like I was even tired, but when someone wakes me up, I don't go back to sleep. I stay up, even though I'm tired. I'll stay up and I'll never go back to sleep, even if it's a little nap or no, I won't go back to sleep. So if I wake up myself, I'll go back to sleep. But my brother woke me up again, so yeah. So yeah, my mom just walked in my room and she's like, "What are you doing? What are you talking to?" I'm like, "I'm making a video, a YouTube video." She's like, "I should not be in this, right?" I'm like, "Mom, oh my god." On Saturday, I might not vlog because it's either Saturday or Sunday because I'm going to my grandma's house, and over there, like everywhere I go, my cousin follows me. And she's like 5 years old, and I'm still kind of embarrassed to vlog somewhere or do something because it's boring. I mean, no, I'm sorry, guys. It took me like 10 minutes to think about. So I don't have today's outfit of the day. I'm so sorry. Um, I'm just wearing a shirt, some shorts, and my slippers. Don't worry, the room is not messy. It's just the covers. I'm there on the floor because my brother told my mom that he's not gonna move them. Like he's not gonna fold them. Ooh, you guys are charging. You guys are charging. And it goes up to you guys. But yeah, before I did this vlog, it was like, it says, "Are you sure you want to do it? 'Cause you drain your battery." And it says yes or maybe. Maybe. Like, what is maybe? Gonna do both? Bruh. Yeah, but anyways, it's stupid. Like, ooh, it just gets me frustrated. But anyways, I fixed my bed. It's all fixed. My covers are folded right there. This is my big baby. Yeah, have 3 covers. One, I just put it on my bed if I want to draw, and if I draw, I'll draw on that. Second one is like I can put it between my legs and my face, and then I get to feel like I'm hugging something. I don't really need to hug it. If it's like cold, I'll cover myself or hug it, do something. But if it's not cold, I mean, if it's hot, I won't use it, and I'll just throw it to the back of my bed. And then the third one, the last one is just there. I mean, they just sold it for me. Like, I'm eating this marshmallow. Camera? It's in a bun, but pretty messy bun for now. But yeah, at night I keep this next to me because I'm not scared or anything, guys. Don't think I'm scared or that, oh, she's a scary cat. I'm not a scary cat, just I hear a lot of noises, and like in the window you could hear like going through like people going through the leaves, and it's scary. You guys don't know how it feels, but yeah, over here, and a lot of other YouTubers live like in Idaho, or like the Shaytars live in Idaho. Adam Woods, there's I don't know where. I remember him seeing one in the video, but I don't know what did he say. And there's different places, and I live in Commerce in the U.S. like everyone else, I think. Oh no, no, it's dead. Just kidding. But yeah, ooh, FaZe Rug lives in San Jose or San something like that. San something. Um, San Jose. Jose, I believe. And look at my brother knows how to do the face sign. Kind of bad, but hey, it looks like an eye with a pointy thing. But yeah, guys, it's really nice. You could pause it there where I showed you, and hey, you can draw. You can learn how to draw. I'm not a very good drawer, but hey. See, that's what I mean. Anyways, did I show you guys what I use? I don't know. I use a bat. Just to stay next to me. It's my baby. It helps me actually. It has good grip. So if any bad guys come. What the heck is that on me? I think I have like something on me. Do you guys see that? Oh, do you guys see that? It's something on me. I don't know. Gift? Do you guys see that right there? That's a worm coming out of my damn finger. What the? What's a worm coming out of my finger? Like, I never had a worm coming out of my finger. Just kidding, guys. So, I'm gonna be doing, okay, I'm thinking of something. You know those marshmallows? I could put some, like, chile inside. I can get a toothpick, poke it, put some chile inside, and whoever eats it, I just put it back in the thing, and whoever eats it, eats it. I don't know, but I'm gonna put on something. I'll be back with you. If you guys are wondering what am I doing, I'm actually gonna use the restroom, so I'll be back. So I put on lipstick. I can also put this lip. I'm clearly not all ready for the day, but I'm gonna do my eyelashes right now. All the time you guys wore out. See me out. Do my makeup. But yeah. Just doing a ponytail. My mom just wanted to the that's probably my mom's phone. It's ringing. But okay, something. You guys know I always do this. It smells so good. If you guys have like, okay, it smells like carne asada, like they're making. Oh my god. They're giving a shot to the dog. They gave a shot to the dog, and now he's like going to the vet, I think. It just sucks. Like, you can give him someone, you can let it get adopted and let it die on its own. Cause I don't like when people kill animals. Like, at school, I saw it was a horrible thing to see. They put an animal inside. They put a puppy inside a bag and let it suffocate. And they threw it over the fence. It's just so sad. The story was real, really. Just kidding. I know I make good sounds. Ugh. But they actually give a shot to the dog. I don't know if it's like for sick or if he's sick or. Okay, that's. That makes total sense, guys. Okay. I need to buy another one of those because I guess I've used my mom's. How do you guys like my lips though? It's like a rosy color. It's like this color, if you guys can see. Like this color. But adding this color. So imagine these colors mixed up. It'd be really cool. Like, I like it. It's called Avon, whatever you call it. It's a lip liner, but I use it as my full. It's a lip liner. I'll just show you. Right there. You guys can see. Oh shoot, I lost it, I think. Lip liner, right? Lip liner. My mom needed me to do something. Okay, so you know the sink, right? It's like square. So the little thing where you cover it for water won't go in the drill or the whatever. It's to hold it. So this is the thing where it goes down the drill or whatever. It holds the water from going down. So it got stuck. It was upside down. So upside down you can't pull it. It's just a little straight line that you cannot pull with your fingers because you can't. Like there's no way to get it out. So I used the tweezers to pull it up and it worked. So yeah, I'm really smart to know. Just my lipstick. This lipstick will go on. Look at it. It does stick. So this goes to destiny. Destiny. Actually, destiny. Here. Put on earphones in here. Make sure everyone hears. Destiny is my cousin, right? She's my best cousin. Problem is, she doesn't believe me in anything. She says that I don't have a boyfriend, that I don't have that. So this goes to you. Actually, tell my brother. In kindergarten, I had a boyfriend. Yes, a boyfriend. And I always used to take gloss, lip gloss, to school, and I'll put it on, and I'll kiss him, literally in the mouth. And it was kind of weird because in class we'll do it, like we'll go on the table, we'll drop crayons and act like, oh, we need to pick it up, and like I'll drop it, but he's like, hey, I'll help you. But yeah, he was really cute. His name is Caesar Glamas or something like that, Caesar Lopez, and he was really cute. So I was like, so we moved classes to first grade, and we were in the same class. So I'm like, oh, but we thought we weren't gonna be in the same class, like we were gonna be separate or something. So yeah, I'll tell you guys the rest Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. If you guys want more information about that boyfriend thing, hey, comment down below if you want a story time. Yeah, guys, so see you guys next time. And it's been, oh my god, it's been 15 minutes since I've been recording. Okay, well, anyways, bye, guys. See you guys later.